Shade number 5, and even though it's a mix between turquoise and dark teal, because I don't have a dark turquoise actually, I think it is kind of nice because they're kind of that green with some blue undertones, so that's why I combine them together, just kind of the same family color. So this is what I did. It's a hollow eye, so something that I haven't done in the series already. So I think, why not? So yeah. Oops. I just noticed that I have some... Oh, my fingers are kind of dirty, so I'll clean my fingers and start applying this eye. Well, I show you, I will use this one in the transition shade. I will use this. This one is kind of very lightly, but I use this one in the inner and an outer corner. I will use this one mixed with this one in the highlighting the inner corner, but I will use only this one to highlight the brow bone, and I will use this one in the center of the lid, and of course the eyeliner is the turquoise. I mentioned that I wanted to put some concealer and I forgotten, so I will do the same here, so to have like the same effect. So I will just stamp this shade what I want to have it. Once I have that shade, I haven't set the lid, so I have some stick base to it. There's some shades that work better without setting it, and you should be careful with what thing you're setting your base. If you use that NYX white powder with silica, the shadows will transfer everywhere. I noticed that the other day. I used that one and it was a whole mess. Something that I haven't before. So there are some powders that if you set with a translucent powder or a setting powder or a finishing powder, whatever they call it, probably you need to know which one you're using without having that transfer and anything. I will start placing this right on the outer part. I will just close myself to the mirror. Focus. So I have this color right there, and we'll drag it here as well. So I have this thing right there. I've heard some people saying, oh, that I will just have the turquoise. That was a dark teal and this is a turquoise. It's kind of more green in it. Not so much blue. The other one is more blue than green and this one is more green than blue, but they're all the same. The same kind of family. We keep it in the family. I will just grab a little bit more of that dark teal and a little bit more of that turquoise with my finger. There are some people that say the shadow is not working for them. Instead of saying if there is something that they change in their diet or anything, because food can change the way our skin works. You can change the pH. I am not a doctor, but that's what I've noticed. Yeah, when I'm overstressed, my pH changes, and I got, now it's healing, but I got this thing over here, and you need to be careful. when you're getting older, you have a little more wrinkles. So you don't need to worry about them, just how you apply the shadow in the past. Maybe it's not the way that you should apply it now. Something that I'm going to do on the lower lash line is I will grab the dark turquoise shade and a little bit of that dark teal right here, but mostly the turquoise. So what I'm going to do is just slightly go very, very close to the inner rim. Just kind of, I don't know if you can see. I don't know why this phone makes my eye look darker. My iris is light brown, or like I thought they were honey, but they're kind of more towards amber. There is one picture on my Instagram that can show you how it is, and I remember taking a picture and I was kind of, no, that's not how it looks. That's not how it looks. So in the moment that the sun touched my eye, there was that color. That is the color that I see. Not all the time, actually. So I kind of have that wolf sort of look, and I like it. I will bring a little bit more that turquoise toward this area, but I wanted to keep it very close. So it's kind of the same shade as the eyeliner, and now this area I will just connect that area with the that teal. So now that I have it here, I will just start doing this. I don't know if you can see that I have something there. Just to connect the two things here. I have a wrinkle there. It was not there before. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, I'm getting old. Of course, I'm getting old. So I will be cleaning this just area that I just go over, so I can have like a nice over there. Put mascara. What I did, because if you just figured out how to do something but you already done it on the other eye, you need to mimic what you already done to make it look even. This tip is not come from me, it comes from Tati Westbrook. I think it's Westbrook. Tati, you all know her as Tati, the Glam Life Guru. I love her. And what I just did was I applied the white, and then I applied the teal mixed with the white. Oh, I have some mascara there. Okay. So I will be just putting a little bit more here, and under the brown, the white. It's because I don't have a light turquoise or light teal, very light. So I create the shade. Now that I got them mixed, I will go back. I know that you cannot see anything, but on the other eye I did the same. So I'm just even that out. I can see my eyes, they are light brown with some color, some light color, and here if I see the mirror and I see, I don't know, you can see, you can hear this. I see like dark brown, and it's not very dark. I don't know. Well, this is the final look actually. So monochromatic, teal, and some sort of dark teal, light teal, or dark turquoise, light turquoise, whatever you want to call it. Just in these same kind of family shades. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you. The next video it will be 2 more after this, because there are 7 days, 7 eye looks. So yeah, I see you tomorrow. Bye bye.